Did you know that wood is rarer than diamonds in the universe? On Earth, trees cover millions of square kilometers, but beyond our planet, there's nothing like them. Because wood is made by life, by cells, sunlight, and DNA. And so far, Earth is the only place where life creates it. Meanwhile, diamonds, once symbols of rarity, form naturally on countless planets, asteroids, and even inside stars. NASA has even found entire diamond planets orbiting distant suns. So next time you see a tree, remember, it's made of stardust, sunlight, and something far rarer than any